Top of the hour, we learned that it was downgraded to a tropical storm.
And just because it's downgraded doesn't mean it's not packing a wallop down south tonight. About an hour ago, Louis Armstrong Airport in New Orleans gusted to 78. They've had close to 6 inches of rain. Tremendous flooding happening in New Orleans. That exact problem, not going to happen here, but we're going to have some issues of our own tomorrow, and it's all because of where we are relative to the storm.
That's right. We're already seeing some showers move into Alabama as we speak. We're looking at the WVTM 13 live Doppler, and the rain is coming in Tuscaloosa and Tuscaloosa County down to Sumter, Greene, Hale, Dallas, Bibb, Chilton, Talladega, Coosa, moving northward slowly but surely, but making our way to where that storm is located. It made its way through New Orleans and now is pushing through the rest of Louisiana now as a tropical storm with winds around 70 miles per hour. Made landfall near Terrebonne Parish at around 5 p.m. as a Category 2 hurricane. Once again, it has weakened into a tropical storm where it will continue to weaken as it pushes through Mississippi, putting us on the eastern side of this system. And that's going to provide the fuel we need for the potential for severe weather, including that tornado risk as well. This green and blue color you see here is instability. And as you can see, we have some wind shear in the area with some of these outer rain bands as well. We can expect to see those ingredients combined, and that's going to increase our tornado potential, not only for Thursday afternoon, but also into Friday. Jason, how can we time this out?
Well, I think tomorrow our greater risk of severe weather is going to start once the temperature climbs up into the mid-70s, which would be after 10 a.m. down close to Highway 80, and then it gets warmer through the day around Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, Anniston and Gadsden. So we're thinking mid to late afternoon farther east of Birmingham. Flash flooding, tornadoes, and strong wind gusts that aren't even a part of thunderstorms are going to be a part of this alert day tomorrow. When does the wind get the highest? You're going to hear it in Demopolis and Livingston early tomorrow morning, 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. The heavier rain is moving up in that direction. And then as we get into the middle of the morning, stronger wind gusts around Tuscaloosa, Shelby County, Jefferson County. That expands northward up toward the Tennessee Valley through about 10 to 11 a.m. and then on through about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's windy and wet tomorrow morning. We've not had a lot of rain so far tonight, but you'll notice it in the morning for sure. And it will be raining on and off for most of the day. Strong thunderstorms are more likely tomorrow afternoon. Here's the futurecast using one of our forecast models, and look at the intense rain bands. That's what Jordan was mentioning with the greater instability and the wind shear in this zone. Around midday, individual thunderstorms start to fire up, and you notice they start to look a little bit rougher, just like you would expect thunderstorms to look. Around 6 o'clock tomorrow evening from Coleman to Aniana, down toward Moody, Sylacauga, into Kellyton, Goodwater, and then down around Alexander City. One more band over toward the west, it also around Tuscaloosa County, could be just enough to give us a threat of some severe weather. This is that shear and instability combo, and it's getting higher down toward the south, but even on Friday, we're going to see the same kind of thing. So again, about 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow in central Alabama, some of those storms are going to be stronger down to the south earlier in the day. Then as the wind starts to kick in during the day Thursday, some of us are going to get gusts potentially higher than 40 or 50 miles per hour. On Friday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. we'll be on the lookout for some intense thunderstorms. Flash flooding could be an issue because some of us are going to get more than 2 or 3 inches of rain. I think on average it's about 1 to 2 when you combine tomorrow and Friday and Saturday and Sunday, but some are going to get quite a bit more than that. Ryan?
Alabama.